Hello traders, and welcome to this week's weekly market breakdown. The pairs we will be going over in this week are the pairs that were voted on you guys last week. So this week we'll be looking at gold, EURJPY, EURUSD, and Bitcoin. So looking at gold on the daily time frame, you can see, right, fundamentally we had a big push up, okay, testing that 1687, 1688 region. And then we kind of have fallen off since. Okay, so what I see here, right, we do have a nice M formation that was created here, right, and after a double top we can expect retrace into that neckline. Okay, and if you actually go ahead and pull out the Fibonacci tool, okay, that neckline because that neckline would be in here. Okay, if you go ahead, pull out that Fibonacci tool, right, we have that kill zone, which is right in that neckline. So here with gold, what we would most likely like to see happen, okay, price come up, and then we will monitor price action, okay, within this region for short positions off of gold. Okay, so that's what we'd like to see happen with the gold spot. So now moving on to EURJPY. Okay, with EURJPY, okay, we had a nice long position last week in the signals chat, okay, off of this, and that was to basically this candle, okay. You had created that nice push up. We got our retrace into that 61.8 and that 50 region. Okay. And then we were able to long in here, right? Get about 100 pips or so. And we had a nice 3-to-1. Like I said, got about 100 pips or so on this. So overall, a good trade. After we hit our take profit 1 for about 100 pips, I did tell the group to begin looking because as you can see, what price did here. Okay, it came up, right, created that top. It retraced, it began to push up, but it lost a lot of its momentum here. Okay, so maybe it was creating that double top. That's what I warned the chat about. And as you can see, that is what happened there. Okay, so we did create this double top formation here. Okay, and so with a double top, right, what we'd like to see now would be what we'd like to see now, right? Remove this. We would like to see a retrace, right, into that neckline. So something like this here, and we will monitor price in this region here. Okay, looking for short positions back down from EURJPY. Okay, and I wouldn't recommend the buy up currently, right? The risk to reward just wouldn't be worth it in my opinion. But you could go and buy up into that region and then short off of there. Okay, so that is what we'd like to see with EURJPY. So EURUSD. Okay, we had that nice push up this past week. And if you look at the weekly, let's see here. Okay, so if you look at the weekly, okay, you can see this previous support level here. Okay, and the market is actually back testing it now. So we can expect something to happen, right? Whether it be a break or a bounce. So what we can do, right? So back here on the daily time frame, if you're looking at this, Okay, we are actually in that 50 to 60.18 region. So what we'll do here, okay, we'll monitor price where it is now, and then we would look for shorts off of this region. Okay, we'll look for shorts down off of this region here, and that is what we would like to see with EURUSD. And then the last one, BTCUSD. So with Bitcoin, okay, I actually have this marked up. The group and I are in some shorts on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies as of right now. So I actually shared the analysis that I shared back in January on my Instagram page, gave away the call, right, from the 7,000 region up to, the 10,000 region to retest that previous level up there. Okay, what ended up happening, right, our inverted head and shoulders ended up playing out perfectly, right, and we went up, retested that level. So what the group and I did, right, we monitored from that level, okay, and we came up, right, tapped that resistance, shut down. Okay, we drew this trend line here. Okay, we also had the Fibonacci out, right? The retest of the trend line went perfectly coincided, okay, with our 78.6, and we were able to re-enter in on this trade and go down. Now, what I'm seeing currently, okay, with BTC, okay, if you look at this, okay, it looks like we have the possibility of another inverted head and shoulders forming. So what I am doing and what I would like to see happen with Bitcoin, I would like to see price come down into this highlighted region here, okay, from 8,140 to 7,750 region, okay, somewhere in there. And that would be basically coincided, lined up, right? If you drag this out with that previous shoulder, okay? So that is how that came about, okay? So what we'd like to do, what we would like to see is a push down to that region, another 300 to 700 pips, and then we will look for the creation of that shoulder, and we will begin targeting the levels of 12,000 to 13,000, 12,000 to 13,800. So 12,000 to 14,000 would be your take profit levels on that. And that is what we are looking for currently on BTC USD. So if you all like this analysis, please give us a like, give us a comment, smash that subscribe button, and help us get out to other traders. So hope you all have a wonderful trading week, and I will see you all in the next week's video.